Revocable trust will not protect your assets from a nursing home coming after them and taking them for the debts that you owe. All a revocable trust does is avoid the probate process. Other issues with the revocable trust is that you are the trustee and the beneficiary, meaning you have full control and benefits over those assets. And because of that, you are filing those assets on your personal tax returns, even though those assets are in the name of the trust and not in your personal name. Now, if you want to protect your assets from nursing homes, which would be creditors, you would want to set up an irrevocable trust. That way you have asset protection from creditors coming after those assets for debts that you owe them. Now, in this case, you would likely want to put your assets inside of the irrevocable trust 5 years before you apply for Medicaid if you're using that for the nursing home. That way you're avoiding the 5-year look back period for the Medicaid process where they can come back and take assets to pay back for the help that they gave you. Now, the things that you need to think about with the irrevocable trust is you lose control and benefits over those assets. So when you put your house inside of an irrevocable trust, you cannot be the trustee, you cannot be the beneficiary, so you have no control or benefits over that house. Also, the assets inside of the irrevocable trust are going to be filed on the trust tax returns, and they will no longer be filed on your personal tax returns. And that's what gives you that full separation and the asset protection from any creditors. But key note here, you have to put the assets inside of the irrevocable trust before you go into the nursing home. If you have already started accumulating nursing home debts and you try to put your assets inside the irrevocable trust, you are defrauding creditors and they will be able to break that asset protection and come after the assets inside of the irrevocable trust regardless. So you're just wasting your money with the irrevocable trust. If you want help setting this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.